Hi Shimmers! So we're going to Anikafe and Lutgarda as my birthday celebration. So this cafe and resto was located in Pleasantville, Barangay Iam, City of Lucena. So this is the menu of cookies, cake, and beer. And also this kind of pineapple juice and coke. Then let's order some food. And this time is special. Our drinks is strawberry frap. And also this one for my niece Riri. Also the smoothies or shakes. For our food is mushroom soup. Chami. Chinese style chicken. Clam chowder. Chicken chop suey. Wait, we forgot. There's chicharron on Chinese style chicken. Next is grilled tuna belly. Crispy pata. But before we continue that, let's sing happy birthday to me.
Ano na ba ito? Play na?
Happy birthday to you. Do it.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Lagay muna doon sa... Teka na, hawak-hawak. Na-apply pa yan.
Picture tayo. Mamaya pagkandapin.
Baby stroller. Baby stroller.
And bulalo.
Hot, hot.
Let's eat!
Yung bulalo, kuya.
Let's open the gift. Okay, this one. This is from Mama and Papa. Wow, it's OOTD. Look. Wow. And this one. Okay. Okay, this is from Mama and Papa again. Let's open this. Wow, sarap.
Sports bra.
Yes. I think so. Wow. Pouch. Wow, so cute. And then bag. Wow. Wow.
I think this is included in the...
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Have so many buckets. And I also have this. It's already used. Last but not the least from Riri and Rans. Wow. Montego Bake Lock. Wow, sandal. Wow. For my dress. And body spray. Yay. Our cake we bought from Lutgarda is Oreo cheesecake.
Alam mo, namumurahan ako.
So, bye, Shimmers!